Today we present, do not confuse R22 gas, for air conditioning, with the refrigerant gas R22. Let's start by saying, that the refrigerant gas R22, is known as a high-performance gas, but subject to environmental restrictions, that currently prohibit its commercialization in new equipment, due to its ozone-depleting properties. Due to environmental restrictions, when it comes to marketing R22, a problem arises when it is necessary to recharge or replace R22 in systems, that are already in operation, and still have a considerable useful life. Because of its reputation as an eco-friendly series, ecological gases, there may be confusion, when making a purchase, and one might believe that Eco22, is the same as R22, but produced to meet environmental restrictions. Eco22 is not R22, on the contrary, Eco22 is composed of a mixture of dimethylmethane, and trimethylmethane, two hydrocarbon refrigerant gases, that occur naturally. Eco22 is promoted by its manufacturer, as a replacement for R22. However, the flammability level of hydrocarbon mixtures, such as Eco22, and its possible use as a substitute in operating equipment, should be taken into account. According to RE, remember that it is not recommended to replace gases, with different levels of flammability, without the manufacturer's authorization, for the equipment in which the new gas, will be used. Eco22 has many advantages, and is characterized by 1. Excellent performance at high and extreme ambient temperatures, created by the company EcoFreeze, with a global warming potential of only 3, in addition to not depleting the ozone layer. 2. Rapid cooling effect. 3. Acceptable energy efficiency. 4. Eco22 is compatible with all common lubricants, mineral and synthetic oils, POG, and PO. 5. Eco22 operates at lower pressures than synthetic refrigerants. 6. If authorized by the manufacturer for safety reasons, Eco22 can be used in R22 compressors. 7. Eco22 is compatible with R22 heat exchangers, expansion devices, and common refrigeration lubricants and materials. 8. Some alternative systems, may be difficult to adapt to conversions, especially when pressure is used for system control in some inverter devices. 9. On the screen, we have the pressure tables, for the Eco22 refrigerant.